my fabulous women. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you are new here, welcome. We are all about embracing timeless elegance, wellness and living our best lives. If that sounds like your vibe, don't forget to subscribe and join our wonderful community. Today, I'm so excited to share the top fashion trends for 2025. These are the styles, colors and pieces that will define the year, and I will share now how I will be adapting these trends or maybe skipping them altogether, and how you can make them work for you too. So make yourself comfortable and let's dive straight into all the chic inspiration for 2025. Colors of the year. Mocha mousse. Well, I have to admit, this one's not really my vibe. It just doesn't feel like me. Browns and earthy shades like olive, rust and clay are definitely having a moment right now, but I think I will be skipping this one in favor of something that feels more aligned with my style. Next, soft ballet pink. I can't get enough of this color. It's so elegant and understated, yet feminine. I love this color, and I wear it a lot. It feels like the natural evolution from the last year hot pink, bright colors, but with a softer, more wearable vibe. This shade has a way of adding grace and charm to any look, and I will be wearing it a lot. And finally, deep reds. The one that I'm wearing, for example, right now, Bordeaux, Sherry and rich burgundy tones. These colors made their debut last season, but they are here to stay and with good reason. I love how dramatic and striking these colors can be. A tailored red blazer or skirt, or especially a dress, is the perfect way to add a touch of boldness and sophistication to your wardrobe. These shades are ideal for pieces that you want to stand out. Let's talk about sheer elements, a trend that's only getting bigger in 2025. Sheer fabrics are everywhere, from skirts with delicate overlays to tops that offer just a hint of skin. I love the idea of using sheer strategically. Think about panels, cutouts and layering that add a touch of intrigue without being overly revealing. Personally, I'm thinking about a sheer blouse paired with tailored trousers or a structured blazer. Yes, and I will be absolutely incorporating this trend in such an elegant way to add some flair to your wardrobe. Basics are getting a serious upgrade in 2025, and honestly it's something really interesting. This year it's all about adding a bit of personality and flair to those everyday essentials. Tank tops, but with unexpected details like glittery fabrics, metallic finishes or even sleek leather. A fresh spin that instantly elevates your look. Or a classic white shirt reimagined with puffed sleeves or with some other bold accents. But beyond just being elevated, these pieces feel approachable and wearable. They are the kind of upgrades that make your favorite staples feel new again. So let's say your knit sweater, but in a cashmere blend with a little extra sparkle. Elevated basics aren't just for special occasions. They are perfect for everyday moments when you want to look and feel just a little bit extra. Denim lovers, 2025 has some fun updates in store for you. Slim straight styles, classic straight leg jeans and even barber leg cuts are making waves this year. Now, I have to be honest, wide leg jeans aren't really my thing. I prefer something a bit more timeless and wearable, like a great pair of white straight leg jeans. They are incredibly easy to style, go with just about everything and always look fresh. Speaking of white denim, it's going to be huge in 2025, especially as we head into spring. There's just something so crisp and clean about white jeans. Pair them with a soft knit sweater for chilly days, especially with stripes, which I have a lot, my favorite. And I've always adored Boho styles, so I couldn't be happier that they are making a big return in 2025. This year it's all about those flowing fabrics, soft ruffles, and dreamy, romantic silhouettes that feel effortlessly chic. Brands like Chloe are absolutely leading the way with the stunning collections of boho-inspired dresses, skirts and tops. The designs include that perfect blend of elegance and ease that makes boho fashion so timeless. And suede deserves its own spotlight here. It's absolutely everywhere and I'm not complaining at all. The texture is luxurious yet grounded, making it a versatile choice for almost any outfit. Pair a suede jacket with jeans for a casual vibe, or slip into suede ankle boots for that fashionable boho touch. And let's not forget the boho bags. They are back in a big way and I couldn't be more excited about them, of course. Boho bags are perfect for adding that slouchy touch to your outfit while still looking chic. Brands like Chloe, Isabelle, Marron and Celine also have gorgeous takes on boho bags this season, and YSL. This trend just makes me so happy. It's easy to wear, endlessly versatile, and adds a sense of charm to your wardrobe. I can't wait to incorporate more of these dreamy boho pieces into my outfits this year. When it comes to accessories, 2025 is all about going big. Statement jewelry, chunky necklaces, oversized earrings and bold mixed metals. Personally, I'm all for a pair of dramatic earrings. They have this magical way of instantly making me feel glamorous, even if I'm just in jeans and a sweater. And if you are looking for inspiration, there are many brands that have been showcasing statement pieces this season. I recommend, for example, Monica Vineder, and I have my personal discount code. You can get them cheaper. I will leave my discount code below, and yes, I recommend to check them out. Go to the website, they have just wonderful pieces. I will be definitely incorporating a few standout pieces to bring some sparkle and drama to my outfits this year. Let me know which type of statement piece is your go-to: necklaces, bracelets, or maybe even fabulous earrings. 2025 is saying goodbye to minimalism and hello to bold statement-making fashion. Maximalism is all about embracing drama. Think rich textures, vibrant colors and patterns that demand attention. It's a chance to express yourself if it's your vibe and have some fun with your wardrobe. Designers propose layered looks, mixing prints and oversized silhouettes. Personally, I love how maximalism gives us this freedom to experiment, whether it's just adding a statement code or pairing prints in a way that feels playful yet chic. Not sure how to incorporate the maximalist trend? Start small. A statement bag or an eye-catching pair of shoes can instantly elevate your look without feeling overwhelming. Or mix and match bold accessories like scarves or belts to create your own unique take on the trend. Maximalism is about confidence. the pieces should feel like an extension of your personality, and this year I'm excited to bring a little more vibrancy and flair into my wardrobe. Let me know in the comments how you will be embracing the maximalist vibe this season. I'm very curious. So these are the trends I'm loving and maybe skipping for 2025. From earthy tones like mocha mousse to the romantic charm of soft ballet pink and the bold drama of deep reds, which I'm wearing. There are something for everyone this year, and elevated basics are all about fresh takes on staples. Romantic boho is making a beautiful comeback, and let's not forget about statement jewelry and maximalist trend, which are here to help us embrace our individuality in style. Fashion is such a personal journey, and it's about finding what feels right for you. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. It means the world. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and if you haven't already, I've got so much more to share, and I would love for you to be part of this fabulous community. I'll see you in the next one.